I just hope that you will see you and me, we belong.
Ano kayang ginawa niya sa hair niya?
Congratulations!
Yes!
You're in.
Wow!
Jenny, maybe you guys should rehearse together so you can find your harmony. Kung libre ka bukas, Jenny.
Sige.
Lalabas kayo?
Jason, thank you, ah. Buti nila pinilit mo akong mag-audition. Thank you for everything.
I've never doubted you. Just believe and live your dreams.
Hawat kamay ang langit. Kayo Believe and live your dreams. I just hope that you will see you and me, we belong.
Parang bagay pala yung boses natin. Bagay din kaya tayo? Okay lang ba sa'yo kung lalabas tayo?
Ano ang gusto mo maging reaksyon ni Jenny? A. Mahulog sa upuan. B. Atakihin sa puso. Vote now!